Ah man, this shit funny, bro. Go ahead,
Hey, look, Ross, man. Just give up, bruh. I mean, it's not you. The rapping thing is not you.
cut it out, man.
The thug you think you is not in you, bruh. You never did that thug yet. You probably never went to juvenile before. Never been on probation. Your name is Ariel, nigga. That's not a thug name. Ariel. Come here, Ariel Higgins. What the fuck? Come on, man. Hey, Martin, you trying to say I need to know how to talk? Nigga, get your head fixed, nigga. Your head too big for your shoulder, my nigga.
Nigga, you talking about I hit you in your head, man. Only reason I hit you in your head because your face this long. When I swing right here, I hit you in your forehead, nigga.
I mean, you can't help if your head too goddamn big. You can't see your fucking face.
Come on, now you
Know
talking
what
about
I'm
I know what it is on the net. I only lost one fight, right? Like on some real ass shit, dog. You trying to talk about yeah, nigga, I know what it is too, nigga. You a bitch, right?
Y'all niggas is lame, bruh. I mean, come on, like SOE.
The fuck that
What
supposed
that?
to mean?
What is that? I mean, that shit is that's a last year crew, bruh. And that shit wasn't working out. You said when I got with Brandon, ain't nothing go down. Nigga, when I was with y'all niggas, we was rapping outside, not doing shit. Know what I'm saying?
Nigga, y'all talking about GBT, fuck this and that. Look, bruh. SOE garbage, y'all. Y'all niggas just hating on us cause anybody fucking with our shit on YouTube. Y'all try to say, ain't nobody fucking with us and only people fucking with us in 6th and 7th grade. Niggas in 8th grade fucking with us. Like, how the fuck you gonna talk about, oh, y'all get salute from all these young niggas, blah, blah, blah. And before I said salute me or shoot me, motherfucker, I ain't know that was Waka Flocka shit until afterwards, you bitch.
And then, nigga, how the fuck a 7th grade party is better than your party? Nigga, you just had a party like 2 weeks before Chris had his party. Nigga, 8th graders from your grade coming to his party, alright? It's GBT, nigga. Y'all niggas lame, bro. Nobody knows y'all, right? GBT more popular than y'all
How
niggas.
do they do that, them niggas?
What?
Martell got big ass lemon head.
Yeah.
Ross is a little skinny little chihuahua. And Trey's an ugly ass nigga,
I
bro.
mean, Trey, get your face fixed, you know what I'm saying? You ugly as fuck, nigga. You pull no hoes, nigga. Y'all talking about nobody with dog chains and shit, nigga. The fuck you
got my
saying,
shit,
nigga? What did you saying, nigga? This ain't no dog chain, nigga.
The only reason why I wear my dog tag, guy, because I got my brother's name on it. Right? While y'all niggas is on some old rah boots, nigga, I wear throwbacks. So I'm from Pittsburgh, nigga. I keep throwbacks. Nigga, Jerome Bettis, nigga, the best nigga. Fuck y'all niggas talking about.
You trying to say I can't rap, bruh? Ross, when I was in your group, nigga, I rap better than you. You said it yourself, nigga.
You said it, fuck, man.
You fake, bruh. You flexing on the ass, bruh. You can't fight, dog.
Right,
You
no,
can't
shit,
fight.
man.
You can't run it, bruh. You do not want to run it. Trying to tell you, bruh. Like, real talk. Y'all niggas weak, bruh. Y'all talking. What a song at?
Please, this was the whole thing was supposed to be about a song. These niggas
listen, y'all,
listen.
GBT fans, look. This shit, these niggas hating on us, bruh. They hating on, they put an idea, oh, we just for fun. We gonna make a song by these niggas. When you look at their video, these niggas just talking. Like, who does that?
And it really ain't killing us. It's just the designs I got on it. Alright, come on.
And most of them bitches lies, right? Y'all can't. I mean, y'all not better. Y'all nowhere close to better than us, bruh. That just automatically. Y'all might just stop y'all whole thing. Get your education, bruh. Y'all better at smoking weed, nigga.
Y'all left the car gang.
Yeah.
Niggas,
What the fuck is a green gang, nigga? Get your shit. What the fuck? You in 8th grade, nigga? What the fuck you come in a 7th grade group for, nigga? What the fuck, nigga? Come on, y'all niggas ain't got nothing better to do in your life. Just let me tell y'all something, bro.
Hold on, let me say something. Oh, you say I'm ugly, bro. I'm for way more hoes than you ever will, bro. You ugly as fuck, bro.
Nigga.
Your girl got more hair than you, nigga. She look like a fucking polar bear.
Nigga, you like a sea creature, nigga. What the hell is you saying, nigga?
Talking about you look like Soldier Boy, nigga. You look like Soldier Girl, alright?
Who lied to that nigga, bro? He wasn't like Soldier Boy. What the fuck? SOE? They trying to be like SOD. What the fuck, nigga? You ain't Soldier Boy, nigga. Montez ain't alright, A-Rap, nigga. What the fuck? Calm down, bruh. Y'all niggas not betting us, dog. I can say a verse that probably kill your whole group, bruh. And most of the songs I be on, I freestyle. Just imagine if I write that bitch. Come on, just. I mean, that shit just gonna be like, oh shit, Greg just not. Then we might be making this. Niggas don't even know. They gonna be like, what the hell y'all talking about? These lame ass niggas called Green Gang. What the fuck is that? Green Gang? Come on, man.
That niggas, AKA Cuz.
Hey, you talking about we need to cut our mohawks off. Nigga, girls is rubbing on that shit, alright? What they rubbing on your head, nigga? I'm glad Ross cut them dreads off, cause he was ugly as fuck trying to be Waka Flocka and shit. A black version of Waka Flocka. Nigga, you ugly. I put more hoes than you. Ask anybody, nigga. Call some buns. You said you can call some buns, call some buns.
Call him, nigga.
Call him, nigga, and tell him that Lil Greg said, what's up, bruh? Know what I'm saying?
Just, I know you got a nasty little weekend.
That fucking track ball, nigga. Look, we got Nigga, hold up.
Blackberry, nigga, we all the way up,
Oh
nigga.
shit, bro, I love my phone. Let me see your phone.
Nigga, your phone right there, yo, dumb.
Bruh, we got slide-offs, nigga. What the fuck is you saying, nigga? We got Blackberries, nigga. Not no motherfucking track phone. Come on, man. You might as well use your house phone, bruh. just say your numbers in your house phone. You lame as fuck, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas lame, right? Y'all did not want it, bruh. We ain't gonna make a rap about y'all niggas because y'all not even special to us, nigga. Y'all ain't no challenge, man. Y'all niggas weak, nigga. When I W-E-A-K, weak, nigga. Nigga, goddamn, what the fuck is you saying, nigga? Brook can take all y'all niggas out, bro. Brook can take all y'all niggas out. What did you saying, bro? Brook, tell him, bro. Take all these lame ass niggas out, bro. Get your game on, nigga. Y'all better just doing smoking weed, bro. Just smoke the perk, bro. Just smoke it. But just let the rapper go. Just smoke the perk, bro. I mean, it's good to smoke, but damn, y'all niggas smoke every day. That's why y'all motherfucking lips turn black and shit. Ross, you don't need to do it because that lips blend in with your face, nigga. You can't see your lips. Like, what they do that at, bro?
What they do that at, bro?
You try to tell me, nigga, okay, I'm country, okay. What about it, nigga? I'm country, okay. What's the problem? You gonna teach me how to talk? Nigga, I'm from the project, nigga. Nigga, the fuck is you saying, dog?
Fuck you, sir.
Nigga, you from Tennessee. Ross, you from Florida. You ain't from New York, nigga. Stop flexing, bruh. You ain't from no Florida. You ain't from no New York, nigga. Get your stacks up, bruh. You talking about we need to get our money, young niggas. Nigga, we older than y'all niggas. We just to the road grade, nigga, cause we did bad shit when we was young, nigga. Y'all niggas ain't do shit.
You can check my criminal sheet, nigga.
The fuck is you saying, nigga? Y'all never been on probation. Never went to juvenile. Never did shit. Most thing y'all did is knock down mailboxes, y'all lame ass niggas.
Let's go, bro.
Come on, man. That's last year's shit, nigga. Stop doing it. Just start smoking weed again, bro. Y'all need to just let this shit go. Say bye-bye to the camera, bro.
Hold on. First of all, these niggas don't smoke weed like that. They call AKA Cuz Trey
Hey, what the fuck?
Come on, like.
Nigga, you probably know you smoke no kush, nigga. What the fuck?
Nigga, the only time y'all niggas smoke weed is when y'all was Star, right? And
Exactly.
Look, and the fucked up part about it is Star and all y'all videos and saying nothing cause he know we gonna kill y'all niggas, right?
I mean,
And
y'all niggas lame, bro. I mean, Trey, this nigga might not know how to stack, nigga. He said it ain't, they don't stack what they come from, nigga. You ain't gotta be a blood to know how to stack, nigga. Where they do that at, nigga? Get your gang shit up, nigga. You ain't gotta know how to stack to be in the gang, nigga.
But
what
look,
the fuck is you saying?
I can call everybody I know from Pittsburgh, nigga, and ask you if I'm a real blood, nigga. On the next, they'll tell you, yeah, nigga. I put in work, nigga. The fuck you talk about?
Y'all niggas lame,
You the stat show off, nigga. You ain't about nothing. Like you the straight bitch, right? Like on some real shit, like on some real nigga shit. And you said I get shot, nigga. I have, nigga. I had when I was little, nigga. Fuck you, said I got shot with a BB gun, nigga.
Shit, like my shit got shot in the head. How big as shit is?
Motherfucking bullet still swell up his head, that
Fuck
ugly
you saying, nigga?
You
Y'all
ugly as
niggas-
fuck, bro.
Nigga, Ross, you talking about we rapping in the garage, nigga? Look at the back of your fucking room, nigga. That shit is dirty and nasty,
Look
nigga.
at the front of your house,
You probably got rats crawling through while y'all niggas recording, my nigga. Where they do that at, bro? Like, come on, man. Y'all niggas whack, bruh. 7th grade, bro. Y'all niggas getting on 7th grade. Nigga, y'all in 8th grade. Y'all supposed to be going to high school. Most of y'all dumb ass niggas probably gonna be held back anyway. Know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas dumb, bruh. It's done. Just quit, bruh. Please just quit. Hey,
Big red and I think y'all niggas gay for real.
yeah.